Hi everybody, Jack here, Fog Cafe. I'm here to put a recipe together. I chose this recipe because it's a very easy recipe. It's 5 ingredients. It goes great with grilled chicken, fish, anything to enhance a regular meal that you're gonna do at home. I also have promised Gary and Wendy that I would get them this recipe like 5 years ago, so no time better than the present. What we have here, we're gonna make a miso mustard sauce. We have our miso paste, our white wine, our Dijon mustard, sliced shallots, and heavy cream. Cool thing about this sauce is that you don't have to season it because you're gonna get the saltiness from the miso paste. You're gonna get a little bit of that zip from the mustard. You don't have to thicken it, it'll thicken itself with the miso paste. So it's a really simple sauce, so here we go. On the burner, I have a sauce pot, a little bit of oil. We're gonna throw our shallots in. You're just gonna wanna soften them up a little bit. As soon as they get tender, we're gonna add the white wine. You can smell them a little bit. We're gonna go white wine. And you're gonna reduce that down a little bit. About halfway, maybe a little bit more. You can see we reduced it as far as we could. For now, for on camera, we're gonna add the cream. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer. And this sauce, once everything's tossed out and measured, it only takes a couple of minutes. So as that sauce gets warm, one important thing to remember is that you can adjust the seasoning. You don't want to overpower the mustard or overpower the miso. It's hard to say. So you want to kind of a balance in between, kind of like the Dorito effect. We have a little bit of a simmer. We're going to add our miso. We're going to add our mustard. And I'll type this up so it has measurements to go with it. Follow me. And now power tools. If you don't have power tools, a regular whisk will work fine. You're gonna get that nice creamy consistency. So that was miso mustard sauce, Fog Cafe. Thank you.